sometimes when it's hurricane season in the Caribbean, I gotta get the hell out of here. A bomb is gonna hit us tonight for about 6, 7, 8 hours. We're getting hit with a major Category 4 hurricane. So wish me luck. Hopefully I will be alive tomorrow. Keep watching my channel. If you love my videos, I want you to smash that like button, click the notification bell, get all my videos, click all videos, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe right now. I've got a lot of different playlists. This one is called Living in the Caribbean, My Paradise Lifestyle. I teach people how to live in paradise, do it very cheap. In fact, here, watch this, keep watching. Here's what I'll show you how to do. In about 6 or 7 hours, we're going to get hit with a Category 4, possibly 5 hurricane. Keep watching. I'm going to head back home. Keep watching my videos. If you love my videos, not only do I show you how to live in the Caribbean, I show you how to travel the world, I show you how to make money on the internet, selling the #1 product in the world. And I've been doing this since the quarantine of the COVID-19 coronavirus, and there's never a better time in the world right now, as I'm about to get hit with a Category 4, 5 hurricane, to learn and to make money online, period. The #1 business in the world. Millionaires are being created every day right now selling the #1 product online, and I want to show you what that is. So click the like button, subscribe, click the notification bell, get all my videos, and send me a comment and say, James, show me how to do something. What can you teach me how to do? I've got 21 different ways to make money every day. 21 different ways to make money every day. The calm before the hurricane. This is the #1, 1,000,000% business you can make money every single minute, every single hour online. It's called affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, or if you know what it is, but you're not making money with affiliate marketing, it's because you need one special thing. And I'm going to tell you what it is right now. Write it down. You need what's called an automated sales funnel. It's called an automated sales funnel. Now, the #1 sales funnel in the world that sells more products than any other sales funnel is Amazon.com. Have you ever heard of Amazon? By Amazon, we copy Amazon. Why? Why? They're worth over $100 billion. Why wouldn't you copy them? The richest company in the world. Sell a product, get paid. PPP. Post, product, paid. Got it? That's the new system, October 2020. It's sweeping the internet worldwide. This is what every young kid is doing. In fact, I got a kid right now, he's 24 years old, making over $10,000 a week, doing exactly what I'm telling you. Post an ad, sell a product, and profit, get paid. Got it? Post, product, profit, paid. I love it. It's so easy. Keep watching. Let me show you how easy it is. So the next step in the sales funnel, okay, you email people, you text people, and you scale up. You sell them, you upsell them. That's what every big company does. Every big company, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Costco, you name it, they upsell you all the time. Hey, when you go to Costco, why do you think they have people standing out giving you free food? Because they want you to buy more stuff. They keep putting more stuff in front of you to buy. $5, $10, $100, $500. They want you to buy a $10,000 flat screen new high-tech TV. They want you to buy a car. They want you to buy a boat. They want to sell you a house. Did you know you can buy real estate now on Amazon. Did you know I could sell you real estate? I can teach you how to sell real estate online, and you don't even have to go and look at the property. You don't even have to show it. You just send people to buy a property with a broker, and they pay you a commission. What? So just for a little fun, when you're in Mexico waiting for a Category 4 hurricane to hit, which is hitting tonight, people start drinking, they get drunk. Look right behind me here. This is what happens when you drink way too much tequila. That's what happens right there. That's what tequila will do for you. Keep watching my videos, guys. If you love them, smash the like button, click the notification bell, get all my videos, and subscribe to my channel. I am here to entertain you and show you how to make a lot of money online, selling products all over the world and in real estate. Many different ways to save money, live a life with no expenses, but make millions of dollars. Okay, so let's continue talking to you and showing you what you need to do to make money online and make more money online. Even if you're only making $10,000 a month, you probably want to make 20, 30, 40, 50, 100,000 a month, right? I'm telling you how to do it. You have to have an automated sales funnel, number one. Number two, you have to sell the number one product in the world. Number three, you have to follow up with people and sell them higher ticket products. If somebody gives me $1,000 for a product, I'm going to sell them a $10,000 product. If somebody pays me $10,000 for a product or service, I'm going to sell them a $50,000 product. And I'm going to tell you right now, and this is the truth, 1,000,000% true. If somebody pays me $50,000 for a product, I'm going to try and sell them a $100,000, a $500,000, or $1 million product. So basically what I'm saying is the only way to get rich is to sell people who are rich, very high-end quality rich products and services. Got it? If you sell something for $1, you need to sell 1,000,000 to make $1 million. But if you sell something for $1 million, you make $1 million on one sale. So I think it's about time to get off the beach, but I want to keep training you. So listen, what you want to do is you want to set up an online business. If you're not currently making $10,000, $10,000 a month, listen to me very carefully. Please believe in James Paradise. If you are not making, I'm talking to moms and dads, husbands, wives, it is October 2020. So keep watching. Not only do I entertain you, show you my life living in the Caribbean and paradise, but I'm also going to show you how to make a lot of money online, offline, real estate, internet, affiliate marketing, selling the number one product in the world, which is education. People pay me thousands of dollars a day just to teach them how to make money online. Is that you? We got a hurricane. I'm standing right in the middle of the street in this hurricane. See the flooding right there? Now this guy right behind me that just drove past, he sells sushi. He delivers sushi in a four-wheeler playing music. Yeah, it's really cool, right on the beach in the Caribbean. And I got my buddy here, Scuba Bob. Say hi, Scuba Bob. What's up, baby? He teaches you how to scuba dive. We got a hurricane, I gotta go. All right, so here we go. We got the sandbags by the door here and here. We have 8 apartments here in this condominium building. So we're just preparing for the worst, you know, this Category 4 hurricane. It might even be a Category 5 by the time it hits us tonight. We got a beach club here called Martina Beach Club. They're obviously closed. But here's the crazy thing. In a couple of hours, it's about 11 o'clock in the morning, this hurricane blew through here at 4 a.m., Category 3, Category 4, 100-mile-an-hour winds. We still have about 20, 25-mile-an-hour winds at 11 o'clock, 11:30 in the morning. But if the sun comes out in a couple of hours, I think the sun is going to come out, it's going to be beautiful, the skies will break, Martina Beach Club, all the beach clubs will probably open. Why not? Let's make some money after the hurricane. We're gonna need it. I want you to smash that like button, click the notification bell, get all my videos, click all videos, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe right now. I've got a lot of different playlists. This one is called Living in the Caribbean, My Paradise Lifestyle. I teach people how to live in paradise, do it very cheap. In fact, here, watch this, keep watching. Here's what I'll show you how to do. If you just keep watching my videos, subscribe, and this is all excellent free information.